Presidents to represent me. I'm out for presidents to represent me. I'm out for presidents to represent me.
What's up, family? We back with another video. Today I got some smoke grade ones. I think that's what they call. And it's a little history behind these shoes. I got them as a gift of a friend of mine. He donated these. You know, he said they was trashed. I don't think they trashed me personally, but he felt they was trashed. That's the type of sneakerhead he is. So, well, one of my buddies donated me these shoes so I can do whatever I want with them. So I think it's best to clean them up and put them online to resell. As you can see, got a little bit of my work cut out for me today, not as much. But tricky thing is, I don't know if I want to dry clean the little suede part or if I just want to go ahead and get away. It really depends on how much of the little dry cleaning kit can get. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's spaghetti or something or whatever can get out the little stain that's in the suede. But we'll see. I'll determine that. I'm gonna start off erasing it, and if that ain't looking as good as I wanted to, I'm gonna just go ahead and just do full water and try to not be as rough on this material to make the I don't know if this suede, I don't know what it is. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I don't want it to have that naked look, like I stripped it of this material. So first, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna choose the right shoe because I feel like this is the most dirtiest one. I mean, this is a little dirty, but it ain't dirty. I'm gonna set it to the side. I'm gonna strip these of these shoestrings. I want y'all to sit through here and watch it. So I'm gonna take the shoestrings off. By the time I come back, it should be time for me to start erasing or not, or whatever, but we here. All right, shoestrings is out, shoe tree is in. All right, I got my eraser. I'm about to go ahead and try to get the little spaghetti sauce or whatever it is. I don't know what it is exactly, but I'm gonna try to see what all I can do with my eraser. And then if I can't get much with it, you know, but yeah. I went to the White Sox game today. Playoff games. We playing against the Astros. Had a good electric night yesterday. Won 12-6. We needed that. Time for this building. I want to tell y'all something. For the people who watch baseball, I know y'all saying like, yeah, White Sox this, White Sox that. Like, I just want to talk about the commentators real fast. They be talking about like how good of a lineup the Astros got and how dangerous they are. They not realizing all these games, bro, we out hit them every game. Every game we out hit them. Only thing they did better than us was capitalize on our mistakes. Like, we'll walk guys and then they'll get on and they just find a way to hit them in, which we don't do. They great at timely hitting. I'll give them that. They great at timely hitting. Like, we might have 11 hits, they might have 6, but our 11 hits probably come with nobody on base, and they 6 hits might come when somebody's on base. That's the difference in the series right now. Our pitchers, you know, I hate to be that guy to tell pitchers to throw strikes. I know they trying to throw strikes, but we gotta make an adjustment. Throw some damn strikes. Challenge these folks. This is as good as I got with the eraser. Look at this way, don't look at the top and none of that yet. I'm just looking at this part when it had all that stuff on there. Kind of up in there too. I'm gonna just switch it over to the water. I guess I gotta get it with the brush. With the soft brush. Try to get all that up out of there, which I'm really confident of doing. All right, I already got my water. Put some solution in already. I'm about to scrub, get all this off. So soft brush. And right now, it's looking pretty good. If I give y'all a little close-up look, all that stuff is out this gray part. I'm gonna just call it the gray part. I'm tired of trying to say what it is, but it all got off the gray part. Got whatever it is off the tongue. Look at the toe box. Toe box looking back clean. The shoe looking back clean, but you do got some black little specks coming from the Nike. That's weight on Nike, like real thick. I think that all will come off when I rinse the shoe and, you know, get it ready for the before and after or whatnot. But I feel like the shoe's really almost done, really 90% done once I get all that stuff out of that and off the toe. But I'm still gonna use the medium brush. I'm gonna use the medium brush to get the sole, whatever it is, the midsole, sole, whatever it is. Then I'm gonna do the bottom. Not much on the bottom either. What's up, y'all? I'm already standing. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to get the bottom of the shoe. You know, I always stand up so I can really get in there. But the shoe looking pretty good overall. I'm really excited about doing this resale. Actually, I might do a raffle or something. This is size 10.5. Christmas coming up. You know, I ain't no scalper. I'm not gonna sell the shoe for no $300, nothing crazy like that. I might do a little raffle. This is a 10.5 shoe. Yeah. We are done. My dog is here. I be trying to excite her and stuff. She in here trying to go to sleep. She wasn't keeping me company. But that's it. I'm done with the cleaning. Clean these shoes. I ain't had to do inside. Like inside look brand new. I didn't have to clean the inside, so I can't say inside it out. But the whole outside of the shoe is clean. I'm gonna put these shoestrings in the solution while I talk to y'all a little bit. Let it soak before I put it in the hand washer. But yeah, so this shoe looking pretty good. Like I said, it's like a lot of little black specks around the shoe. I know this coming from the suede off the Nike and off the top of the shoe and yeah, in the high part of the shoe. But yeah, the shoe is done. Bottom scrub, don't have to rinse that off. But yeah, shoe looking good. Shoe looks real good. I like what I'm seeing. Y'all gonna like what y'all see too when I do the before and after, when I had all that red stuff on there. Or whatever it was. Not me, but all the red stuff was on there. Get one more done. I don't think it was soapy enough. Every time I go back and look at these clips, cause y'all know I film by myself. They be like 2 minutes. I don't be thinking I'll be talking for that long. I'll be thinking I'll be talking for at least 45 seconds. And then I get up and go look at the time on your dig, and it'd be like 2 minutes, 30 seconds. I'm like, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go rinse. When I come back, shoe is already gonna be in. You feel me? I'm just going ahead and put them already in. Then I'm gonna do the side by side. Before and after, then I'm gonna do my closing. Then we're gonna be out. Alright, shoes all dry. I dried it. This is the first time method. I dried it with my old reliable heat gun. Speed up the process. But yeah, shoestrings is in. Shoes are dry and clean. Look at that. Look at the results. Got all that nasty stuff about the out the gray part. I ain't gonna say it. Off the gray part, off the leather, toe box, bottom looking good. I don't know what the little lumpy thing is. If there's any shoe stores out there that watch my video, if y'all here to support or not, let me know what I can do to get like this little lump off. I don't know where that come from. I see that on a lot of ones, but I don't know where it come from. But if you got any tips or anything, just let me know. But I'm gonna do this before and after. This is side by side. I mean, you can't really tell, cause this shoe wasn't all that dirty. Probably the only thing that was dirty was the inside right there, or not. That's a little bit of the soles, but this shoe looking real good though. This is the shoe that was really had the most of the food spaghetti or whatever it was on it. And it turned out to be pretty good. I'm glad it didn't sink into the material. That would have been a fight to be in. But overall, I feel good about this shoe. Like I said, it was a gift. It was a gift given to me, you know. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Either I'm gonna resell, probably gift them away, do a raffle or something. Raffle still gonna cost some money, but it might not be as much. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. Whatever comes first. It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Yeah, that's it. Shout out to, I got 90 subscribers. I want y'all to help me get to 100. Gotta get to 100 subscribers. Kinda wanna get the ball rolling. I fell off a little bit with my consistency. I haven't been as consistent as I want to be, as I need to be. But that just becomes a business. But as long as you keep pushing, keep going. You know, I know I preached in the last video about staying consistent, but you know, things come up. I do got a life outside of cleaning shoes, but yeah, that's it, man. Appreciate y'all for coming in. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you want to, share to your friends, parents, anything, man. Anything helps. Yeah, thanks.